Hello everybody. Thought I'd make a quick talk about the features and benefits of gutters and downspouts and how they can save the foundation of your home as far as getting the water away from the home when rainwater comes. So you want to try to keep your gutters clean of debris so the water that comes down off the roof can flow into the gutters freely and go into the downspout. And then your downspout should be guided away from the home so the water can, be channeled in that direction. So if you have, clogged gutter openings where the downspout attaches to the gutter, what happens is that rainwater will, flow over the top of the gutters. A good analogy would be like pouring water into a glass and just filling it all the way up to the top to the point where it can no longer handle anymore, so it's going to just overflow. So that's pretty much what your gutters are doing. But when that happens, it actually causes soil erosion around the foundation of your home, and this can pretty much result in the shifting or settling of your home's foundation. And then that would in turn lead to cracks and structural damage around the base of the perimeter of your home. So to keep all that stuff away from you, having to spend a lot of money to correct it if something like that should happen to you, it's better to be proactive than reactive. So you want to keep your gutters nice and clean, and if you can't clean them yourself, of course you can hire a company to come and clean your gutters for you, but the next best thing would be to invest in gutter guards. And there's a lot of good brands out there that you can invest in to keep your gutters nice and clean, and it'll save you a lot of money in the long run. So if you want more information on this tip, please look us up, check us out, and give us a call. And give us a like. And thank you.